West Medical's innovative varicose vein treatments have helped thousands of people to get the smooth, sexy legs they deserve.
The team at West Medical was amazing. My legs look great. My varicose veins are gone.
Call 1-800-WEST-MED for a free consultation.
Now's the time for cleaner indoor air with an air duct cleaning from Stanley Steamer. You've known us for carpet cleaning, but we've been cleaning air ducts for over 20 years. We do things the right way, cleaning your entire system. So if you need an air duct cleaning, call 1-800-STEAMER today.
The Critics' Choice Association presents the celebration of cinema and television. Tonight at 8 on KTLA 5, LA's very own.
Right now at 10, another storm moving into Southern California, but many SoCal communities are still recovering from this week's big storm.
The amount of rain could leave more streets and freeways flooded. That includes parts of the foothills and coastal neighborhoods. We are live this morning.
And these beachfront communities are bracing for these dangerous rip currents, heavy rain, and flooding. City officials preparing for these expected damages, but residents this morning fear those preparations are not enough. We're live.
And we are expecting several inches of rain, several feet of mountain snow, but like Carlos said, flooding for sure. We're going to talk about all that coming up. Good morning, everyone. Saturday morning, and welcome to the KTLA Morning News at 10 a.m. I'm Megan Tellis. 1 hour to go, Lauren.
Yeah, I'm Lauren Lister. Thank you so much for joining us. We know this rain is coming. Today is really the day to get ready and to enjoy the day before the rain starts falling.
Run your errands.
Yeah.
You did that yesterday.
Yeah. Finish this news broadcast and then get
That's
out there.
true.
Casey's covering it all. Casey, what are we looking at?
Yeah, well, Max Doppler behind me. This will look so different by this time tomorrow morning. But again, we are awaiting this very strong system that's tapped into an atmospheric river. So that means we are going to see quite a bit of rainfall in a short amount of time. As far as temperatures downtown yesterday, if you thought it felt cold, it was. 63 was the high downtown. I don't think we'll be that warm today. Current conditions, 34 degrees in Big Bear. It's 53 in Ontario, 59 for Long Beach, 54 degrees right now in Van Nuys. And if you want to exercise outdoors today because of the cool weather, just know air quality is good for everyone. As far as the big picture, I just want to show you what is coming our way. This massive system moving through taps into the atmospheric river, and not only does it bring us heavy rainfall, but look what happens to San Francisco, even into the central coast. So a lot of California under the threat of flooding over the next couple of days. We are going to continue to see shower activity here Monday into Tuesday, with more rain expected headed into the rest of the week. So some of us will start to see some showers tonight. The darker greens, the yellows, the oranges that you're going to start to see on here, heavier rainfall. It is going to be constant rain for several hours. That is why we're so concerned about the flooding. This is tomorrow morning. Very heavy rainfall, widespread, does become more scattered in nature as we head into late Sunday night and Monday morning, but then we get more rain. So Monday into Tuesday, the threat of thunderstorms is in the forecast. So you can see nobody really gets that much of a break, and that is, again, another one of those concerns. How much rain are we expecting? This is stopped tomorrow morning just before 2 a.m., already getting a half an inch for pretty much everyone. We see more rain by tomorrow afternoon, and I've stopped this at about 4:30 on Tuesday morning, so we'll get those two-day rainfall totals. Over 4 inches of rain is where we're seeing this orangish color. So coasts and valleys, anywhere from 3 to 6 inches, 6 to 12 inches for our foothill and mountain communities. The ground is already saturated from Thursday's rain. There is no They cannot handle the rain. So if you can stay home Sunday into Monday, it would also be a good idea to do that. Winter storm warning, winter storm watch for these mountain communities. Those also go into effect today and last through Tuesday. And elevated surf, this is what Carlos will be talking a little bit more about. Could see some flooding at our beach communities, potentially dangerous surf as well. And in addition to all the rain, the gusty winds will pick up as this front passes through. Purple on here, that's up to 50-mile-per-hour gusts. That lasts the entire day Sunday. So these These advisories go into effect later today as well and will last through Monday as well. Wherever you see these high wind warning, this tan colored area, the brownish actually, that's where we're going to see the strongest winds. And again, for several hours. It is very likely we'll see down trees and down power lines. So in addition to bringing in the patio furniture, trash cans, things that could go blowing around, make sure your phones are charged and just be prepared for the possibility of losing power. So slight chance of seeing showers pick up for Ventura County tonight. Gusty winds and heavy rain Sunday, Monday with a chance of thunderstorms into Tuesday. For the LA Basin, we'll stay in the low 60s through Monday. Slight chance of showers starting for you today as well. Heavy rain Sunday, Monday, and we can also see some thunderstorm activity Monday into Tuesday. We'll leave the chance of rain though on the forecasts for the rest of the week. Back to you.
Casey, thank you. Southern California coastal communities concerned about the storm headed our way.
Some areas got flooded from the first storm, which happened earlier this week. Now they are bracing for more. KTLA's Carlos Herrera is live in Manhattan Beach to show us how people there are preparing. Some people...
They're playing volleyball. They're enjoying the time they have, right?
The calm before the storm, we can say.
Yeah, you know, it's fine. Take advantage of these conditions right now. It's still sunny, partly cloudy. You know, the change is coming, though. But for now, yeah, a lot of people enjoying the conditions out there. A lot more people definitely in the water this morning. The surf definitely getting more rough. It's expected to get worse later today, especially into tomorrow. Listen, this area will be getting dangerous rip currents.
It's going to be coming down pretty soon. Atmospheric river. You know, there's a lot of terrain here in Manhattan Beach. So if you're in a low-lying area, there's a lot of areas. Pollywog Park, you know, becomes a big pond. Tree section. There's a lot of flooding that goes on.
These here are some pictures from the storm that wreaked havoc on Southern California earlier this week. There were dozens of sandbags at other defenses in place at splashed real estate offices in Seal Beach, but they did nothing to prevent the rising floodwaters. About 6 inches of water got inside. Apartments nearby, they were also flooded. Sandbags put in place there were also overwhelmed.
Well, everything's wet. So, I mean, you could see some of the water, where the water level was. So the couches are wet, the beds are wet, you know, so I have to take everything out to dry it out and maybe get someone to help clean.
As the cleanup continues, now officials saying they're keeping pumps in many areas. They're deploying additional resources to help residents and businesses prepare for this storm that's headed our way. It's expected to be even stronger. We've been telling you about it for a long time now. Preparations also underway in Ventura County, where the Ventura Fire Department has been placing sandbags in front of houses in flood-prone areas. They want to protect property and lives. Officials here in Manhattan Beach, meantime, they want residents to prepare for the flooding now before it's too late. They have sandbags available at the Public Works facility. That's on Bell Avenue, the Fire Station 1, and then the Begg Field parking lot. Though they want people to know there is a limit of 3 per household. If you go over to Manhattan, Huntington, and Hermosa beaches, they have free sandbags there as well, and you can take as many as you want. Back out here live right now, there are no beach or pier closures in effect right now. Officials will be monitoring these conditions throughout the day and into tomorrow. They're also looking at the possibility of building berms along the coastline too to protect homes in this area. Ladies, you know, a lot of people stopping by this morning, unfortunately, and they tell us, you know what, you guys are blowing this out of proportion. It's going to be rain, as usual here in Southern California. We see these problems that have happened in the last few days, earlier this week. We just can't handle it. You know, the soil is wet. It can't handle that, so more rain on the way. It's saturated. More trouble for us. So just be careful out there. We'll send it back to you.
Good warning this morning, and yes, best to just be prepared.
Better safe than sorry. Also, some good volleyball players behind you. That was fun to watch.
Bump set spike.
Thanks, Carlos.
Good. Thank you. We continue our team coverage in the foothill communities where residents are bracing for up to 12 inches of rain.
The expected downpour is raising concerns about mudslides, road closures, and more. We go to Jennifer McGraw, who is live in Duarte, where people are filling up sandbags and getting prepared. Good morning.
Lauren and Megan, as early as 7:30, neighbors were out here getting sand. Now look at this mound. It is more than halfway dug out. That's because people are really heeding this warning. Leah, you're almost 70 years old. Happy birthday. She's doing 10 bags. Talk to me about why you're heeding the warning this time as opposed to years past?
I've never seen that much rain in such a short period of time. So, and like I said, I live by myself, so I have to be a little more careful.
Well, I'm just impressed because you've already filled 7 and hauled them all the way out to your car. Hopefully you don't have any flooding.
Well, I hope so too, but it's Mother Nature. What happens, happens.
Now, this storm could bring powerful winds, power outages, and flooding, and city officials want to make sure everyone is prepared. This storm is expected to bring 3 to 6 inches of rain in the foothills. It's going to be 12 inches. Los Angeles Mayor Karen Bass says it's all hands on deck. She also says city's making extra room for the unhoused communities and wants to make sure everyone is taking this threat seriously. People have been sandbagging and getting ready, especially in the burn scar areas here in Duarte, where there is an evacuation warning and road closures in Mel Canyon starting tomorrow evening and going through Tuesday morning. And of course, back out here in Duarte, people can get their sandbags still. Today, right now, is the time to get your sandbags. Again, charge your phones, everything that Casey said.